control and coordination, then you will not face any difficulty in your next classes. So these things are important and you should know properly about whatever topic I am teaching you from this chapter. This is for your knowledge. So our today's topic is the human brain. Now the human brain is a part of the central nervous system of our body. The central nervous system of our body comprises of the human brain and the spinal cord. Today we will learn about the human brain. The human brain can be further classified into three parts, that is the forebrain, the midbrain and the hindbrain. Now again you can see, students, the forebrain consists of three parts, that is the cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Next, the midbrain consists of again three parts, that is the optic lobes, the cerebral peduncle and the pineal gland. Next, the hindbrain also consists of three parts, that is the cerebellum, the pons and the medulla oblongata. So these are the different parts of the human brain. Now students, often the midbrain and the hindbrain together they are known as the brain stem. So the midbrain and the hindbrain together they are often known as the brain stem. Now students, you can get a clear idea about this what I have told you by seeing the picture which I am going to show you. So you observe the picture or the diagram carefully. In this picture you can see it is showing the different parts of the human brain. First you can see the forebrain. The forebrain consists of the cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Students, you observe the labelings properly. You see the labelings where it is labeled as cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Next, you observe the midbrain. The midbrain is labeled all together. Next is the hindbrain. The hindbrain, it comprises of the pons, medulla oblongata and cerebellum, as I have already told you. And I have also told you that the midbrain and hindbrain, they are often together known as the brain stem. So first we will learn in detail about the forebrain. The forebrain, it is the thinking part of the brain. Front part of the brain, it is the front part of the brain and is located on the forehead and upper head part of the head or skull. So the forebrain is the thinking part of the brain and it is the front part of the brain and is located peduncle and pineal gland. These cerebral, peduncle and pineal gland, about this you will learn in your higher classes. For now you remember the names. And deals with visual analysis and auditory actions, that is related with vision and auditory means hearing. So it is related with vision and hearing actions. Next is the hindbrain. The hindbrain, it is the last part of the brain. It forms the floor of the brain. The hindbrain forms the floor of the brain. It consists of three parts, that is the cerebellum, the pons and the medulla oblongata. First, we will learn about the cerebellum. It is the motor area of the brain concerned with coordination movements. Concerned with coordination or coordinating movements of skeletal muscles. So, it is the motor area of the brain concerned with coordinating movements of the skeletal muscles in our body. It controls the muscular activity in our body and also maintains body balance and posture. So the cerebrum controls the muscular activities in our body and it also helps to maintain the body balance and posture. Next is the pons. Pons. It is a bridge of nerve fibers connecting the two lobes of the cerebellum. In the pons, transmission of impulses across the bridge ensures a coordination of muscular movements on both sides of the body. So, transmission of impulses across the bridge ensures a coordination of muscular movements on both sides of the body. The last one is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, it controls involuntary activities like it regulates heartbeat, breathing, it coordinates reflexes such as swallowing, vomiting, coughing, sneezing and hiccuping. So, the medulla oblongata controls the involuntary activities, that is the activities which are not under our control, like heartbeat regulation, breathing, reflexes such as swallowing, vomiting, coughing, sneezing and hiccuping. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is the human brain. I hope students you have understood the topic properly. So study properly, keep watching